Hello everyone, hello everyone, hello. Um, I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone that have subscribed to my channel, and I really appreciate. Now we are up to 210 subscribers. So thank you very much. Let's keep sharing this channel to many people so we can reach a milestone. So thank you very much. And once again, I'm here to introduce again to expose my special program, the Gold 4H formula. This is working, guys, and today I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful entry just this morning for just like uh 30 to 45 minutes. I managed to get 100 pips already. So it's a very clean setup and a very good setup using the gold 4H formula. The formula that I'm going to teach you guys. And if you haven't registered to this, go on to my under the description. You'll find my number, my WhatsApp number. There you'll be able to register to the program. This is a very good program, and that's the content. Actually, this is the actual PDF that I'm going to release after you finish the program. So let's go into the today's session where I'm going to explain how I got this 100 pips today on gold. So it begin my analysis always begin far more. In the beginning of the week, I always start with the weekly time frame to analyze where the general perspectives of the week. And of course, I go to the daily time frame and analyzing the daily perspectives. And of course, based on the formula that I have, I begin my analysis in the 4 hour time frame. And of course, in the 4 hour time frame, we begin to see a lot of information. Today we opened and managed to to clear the daily high and the weekly high, of course, of the last week. And we had this beautiful candle of the 4 hour coming to fill up the gap that was created at the market opening. And we had this candle opening after around 8 a.m. Eastern. So I mean, this was a very good setup. So if you go to the 15 minutes, you'll see my confirmation. My confirmation was this after the candle, after the 4 hour opening candle, this one, the 15 minutes, the first 15 minutes of the 4 hour, uh, it managed to give me a confirmation. And that confirmation was the structural failure or structural break, week to week break like that one. So after that, I go to the lower minute to the lower time frame to begin to see where I will possibly put my entries. So basically, I could have waited for the market structure shift from that direction there in the 1 minute or in the 5 minutes. And in this case, I used the 5 minutes as my entry. So I could have waited for the market to break here as my change of character. And of course, the market breaked this area as the change of character. And we had an inside formation or inside structure where it had some information that I can't tell you right now, but uh, it was some kind of zone flip. zone flip. So I can tell you right now, this is the premium knowledge I want to be giving you for free. That is the paid version, guys. So if you haven't registered to the program, go on to the description. You'll find my number and come out there and let's talk about the program. Let's talk about the program. Register and you will get all this knowledge. So only this morning I managed to get 100 pips. I can say literally the day is over. The day is over already. I can wait for tomorrow, or I can wait for another 4 hours to manage to get another 100 pips or maybe 50 pips. It depends. So it was a great entry, and that was fantastic. Great momentum, great entry, and a great take profit. So thank you guys for 200 subscribers and help me grow again, share my channel to many and continue learning, continue registering to the program. Thank you very much for your support, guys. Thank you very much. And I will see you on the next one. So this week we are going to have a lot of videos coming. So thank you everyone for your support, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much.